got another little something cool for you guys. Check this out. Yes, this is my snowblower. Originally came with 123cc 3 horsepower motor. We now have a stage 1 Predator swap with exhaust. This thing couldn't even spin itself, let alone throw any kind of wet snow, or about the only thing it was good for was a dry snow. Otherwise it would die. Now, it doesn't even phase this thing. With almost 8 horsepower, it does quite well. Now, obviously we don't have much snow here right at the moment, but this is a very wet snow that used to plug this thing up and keep it from running very good. But now, it doesn't even phase it, and I'm quite happy with it.